Hello guys, now I am talking that it is really kind of impossible thing getting 70 plus marks in GATE aerospace exam, but who can never achieve 70 plus marks in GATE aerospace exam? You forget about 75 plus. What kind of students can never achieve this 70 plus marks? And if you think that by preparing 1 year after completing your 4 years of BTech degree, or but if you count, actually the preparation is not of 1 year, because syllabus used to get over, and meanwhile very few students are there, only one or two, who used to do a very dedicated kind of study program like for complete 1 year. Mostly what happens, even though you are preparing for one complete year, you will be having lot of ups and downs, so your preparation will not be a kind of a smooth and continuously increasing order preparation. No, it is not the real case. Almost everyone used to have inclination, these kind of like ups and downs in their study program. So who can never get, if you have not done study properly in 4 years of your BTech, you forget that you are going to achieve 70 plus marks in GATE exam. Anyone, I am challenging anyone. And one more thing, only about aerospace students I make videos, aeronautical aerospace students, and especially students who are non-aero, like they are from mechanical, civil, electrical, CS or some other departments, and they are approaching for aeronautical aerospace department GATE exam. Then one thing, you guys make sure you have to prepare more than 2 years if you are really willing to crack GATE aerospace with very good rank. Now one more thing comes into picture. What kind of rank you want, which IIT you want, are you looking for IISc Bangalore? Everything is having only one answer. For aero students, answer is these things are possible. You can be in top 5, you can be in top 10, in the sense you can get 70 plus marks if your basic is really very good. Basic in the sense I am talking, when you were in 11th 12th class, that time we used to prepare for IIT JEE. If you have that kind of basic ground, if you have in physics and math, and after that, because sometimes what happens, if question paper is twisting, in that case only that basic will help you. Okay, and after that there are some questions, question will be twisting, but that question you can crack if you have very good background in the 4 years of graduation level, UG level, okay, of your aeronautical or aerospace department. And of course in aeronautical department you don't have to study space flight and all, so definitely one additional subjects comes into picture when you are preparing for GATE aerospace exam. It means what, if this video you are watching and you are neither from aeronautical nor from aerospace, then you will come to know that in aeronautical department also students has to study little bit extra what they are already doing in aerospace department. And our GATE paper is based on aerospace syllabus, and syllabus is properly mentioned. I just want to say one thing, like space dynamics will be the additional part in that. Okay, so aeronautical, difference between aeronautical, aerospace and astronautical, what is the main difference? I have made a dedicated video about this. You can search difference between aeronautical, aerospace, astronautical, ConceptLibrary. If you search, my video will appear and you can watch that. I have given proper idea. But now see here, we are talking about 70 plus marks. Is there any possibility that suppose you have wasted your 4 years in college and little bit only topic types of things you know, that okay, in aerospace we have this topic, in aerospace you have that topic. In, if you are from private college, then definitely you will be knowing that okay, even your teachers are not knowing. Some private colleges, not all, in some private colleges even their professors are not having proper idea. They have a different background, they are teaching something else, and when you will ask something, they will reply something else. They will think that you are a 3rd or 4th standard student and they can fool you easily, but it is not the case. Students are knowing the situation very well, that we have come to the kind of bad private college, and that's why we are suffering all these things. So those kind of students can never dream for 70 plus marks in GATE aerospace. If you are willing to get 70 plus marks, then you have to prepare for GATE exam. A separate dedication you need to achieve, to crack GATE exam 70 plus marks. Really, I am telling you, if you are a smart student but you have got the wrong college, then it is not possible that by your own self-study, by your own hard work, you can get 70 plus marks. And one more thing, this story I am telling on average. Again, I am excluding those superheroes who claim that I have got this much marks just by doing this. No, that is not the case. That is not going to happen in your case. I am considering that I make videos for those kind of students who are kind of a struggler in their aero department. It's not like they are already Einstein, they are already Newton, they are already genius student and they already know everything about aero. No. So first thing, you forget in your mind that you are going to get 70 plus in your GATE exam. But one thing sure, that in aerospace department, see, if someone is giving you this idea that in aerospace student less students are appearing, then they are making you fool, because you should also know that in aerospace department we have very less seat for master degree, also very less seat for jobs also. So this thing should be very clear. If someone is giving you idea that why are you applying for mechanical department, you could have applied for aeronautical department, aerospace department GATE, and you could have no. Seats are already less, but definitely if you have that fire inside, if you love aerospace, if you have missed your aero degree in your UG level and somehow you landed into some other degree, and now, so definitely you have chance, and you should always take chance. You are an engineer. If we will not take chance for our own life, then who will come and give us chance? So I am not saying that you should not prepare for GATE exam, and I am not saying that only 70 marks are required to go to be into IIT. If you are aero guy and you have taken GATE aerospace, then just in general category, just you are getting 55 marks, around 55 marks, you will be in IIT. Okay, but if after watching that video you are thinking that only 55 marks, man, if you will prepare for complete syllabus, then you are going to land to 55 marks. Okay, get my logic? It is not tough. Students, they can touch 60 also. And like I said, 70 plus, it is not only about 70 plus, it is kind of hypothetical thing what I want to convey here, that no, you can definitely touch 62, 63, and you should know that what is my topper, like what is position of my topper. We used to have our topper in aerospace department and many other departments also, especially in aerospace department, around like 82, 84, 83, 82, 84, 83. This will be the range of my first topper, like a score with 1000 score. And second topper may be exactly at the same location or very far. Okay, I mean to say either first and second topper there is no gap or there will be gap. And you know, in top 10 if you'll find the gap, there will be 10 to 12 marks gap. Can you imagine? Now comes now forget about the result part. You focus that who can never get 70 plus. So students who have done their degree like on average basis, they have not got genius kind of Brahma kind of professors and lecturers in their college life. Like only things are like, you come to the college, you put your what to say, like क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार, your present, what do we call that? Every day we come, right, we tick like, okay, I'm present. Okay, so that should be roughly 75% or something college wise it refers. So you have to maintain that, and you are going to get your degree somehow, and you will manage any project or internship, something, you got the degree. That will not make it. Okay, now some students may be thinking that, sir, okay, I am my degree is completed and I'm not from a good college, but if I will prepare with you for 1 year, will I be able to get 65 marks? No one can say that you'll be able to get 65 plus, because as per average result, if you are preparing for 1 year of GATE after completing 4 years of degree, then actually it depends not on the content or whatever I'm delivering to you. It depends how smart you are, because in that 3 hours of GATE exam you are going to do so many mistakes, even though you know the question answer, because that thing you will judge in your home test series, when you will be taking home test series with me. And if you're watching this video for the very first time, you should know that I have qualified GATE exam 6 times, and in 2023 I'm going to qualify 1 more time. If everything goes well, definitely I'll qualify, and then it will be 7 times. And I am teaching GATE aerospace only from last 8 plus years, and now almost session over. So after November, I will not say this, I will say this 9 plus years. Anyway, I had offline center in Chennai, but because of COVID and all, now I'm completely working online. Okay. So you can join me for your GATE aerospace preparation. Either you are from aero background or you are from non-aero background. For non-aero background, I teach everything in detail. Now, if you have passed out your college degree, 4 years of college degree got over, aeronautical or aerospace, anything, and you are thinking that, sir, how can you claim that? Like you are questioning me that how can you claim that, sir, I can't get 70 marks if I'll prepare for 1 year? Damn sure you will not get 70 marks, because GATE exam is not about just go and solve the question paper. It is GATE exam. There was one time, what I can say, that my time when question paper pattern was very different. Nowadays question paper pattern is chasing something. Nowadays question, it's not like I'm putting kind of fear. I'm trying to make you aware about this, that you should not dream that I'm going to touch 70 plus marks. It is really very, very difficult. Very, very difficult means, again, I'm excluding those people that they are really good student. I can say, I can put the genius. They are really genius student. Anyway, they landed to the bad college, but if they will be getting guidance, definitely they can achieve 70 plus marks, or you can say 72 marks, 71 marks, 68 marks. But I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about average person. If you feel that you are average kind of student, then it is not possible to get this kind of marks. 70 marks really not possible. I am saying not possible. I'm not saying in average category this is possible. It is not possible. No, 70 marks you cannot get. Why? Because I know, like 4 years got over, and now you are going to prepare the complete syllabus in few months. And if you are not doing whole day and night, you can't even cross 55. No. Really, I am telling you, you can't even cross 55. But what is the good part? Even though you are in general category and you are somewhere 55 plus to 60 marks, I am talking 55, then you will be in IIT for sure. And if you are dreaming for IISc Bangalore, I can give you in written, if you are not good in your 4 years of academics, you can never qualify interview exam of IISc Bangalore. No, you can't. So if you have completed your past 4 years badly, but you have the degree which allows you to enter into the GATE aerospace examination, then your next dream should not be of IISc Bangalore or getting 70 marks or something. Your dream should be like, okay, complete the syllabus, appear into the exam, do well, and just try to qualify with as max as possible. Don't blabber in front of anyone that 70 marks is easy. No. Don't be under trap of any other person who is trying to create this fact inside you that, okay, study with me, prepare with me, you will be getting. No, it is not possible. I am telling you, it is not possible, because actually there are so many things you will not understand until you will not prepare for one complete year. Practical background I am talking. So many ups and downs I am considering, because you are also human. So you will be facing the same scenario. See, if you are a very rich person, like you belong to a very rich family, in that case you may have little bit less ups and downs. But again, even rich people are having their own ups and downs. So that thing no one considered during GATE preparation, but it affects roughly 120 to 150 students I take care every year. I know everyone's situation at personal level. So average students, please don't think all this bullshit in your mind. 70 marks, 80 marks, 70 marks, 80 marks. Your job is just keep doing preparation. And when the time comes on 11th Feb, we have Aerospace Department GATE exam, 11th Feb 2023. 11th Feb 2023. You know what is the best part? It comes like, see the number 11, Feb means 02, 2023. All these numbers are using only 4 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3. Anyway, simply I thought this. So now come to this point. Is there any way to achieve 70 plus? Yes, there is only way. If you are enough smart, then within 1 year you can learn those things, and without doing mistake, if you are attending all the questions, then there is, like I can say, very less chance that an average student may cross 65. Otherwise, no chance. because in that number of test series, number of assignments, all the content you have to keep in your memory, these things are basic thing, everyone is doing that. Other than that, what you need, what no one can feed inside you, that is your own IQ, that is your own smartness. Okay, you can be far smart than I am, your IQ can be so good than me, your preparation level can be down than my preparation level, your knowledge level may be down than my, but in GATE exam your rank can be better than my rank, because rank does not depend only on the knowledge. Rank depends on so many things, your 4 years of journey, your preparation method, after that what kind of questions you have not touched in your life, what kind of IQ you have, what kind of smartness level you have, what kind of health you had before 1 week, like what is your sleeping condition, what kind of daily routine order you are following, everything matters. And when everything will be in your favor, then you know what will not be in your favor? The question paper. Because mostly this is the case. So okay, I'm not taking in hypothetical way, but this is the situation when you will feel that okay, everything is in my favor, but question paper will not be in my favor. So in that case, what to do? Don't worry, there is something called a PET syllabus. PET syllabus means this is the path, everyone is following this path, these books, these numericals, these books, these examples, these assignments, these test series, you also follow the same path. Once everyone is reaching completing the same syllabus, after that your own IQ no one can steal from you, your own smartness no one can steal from you. So I can guarantee you to go into the IIT, but I will say a big no for those students who are average, they have not done 4 years of preparation. Because see, 1 year of GATE coaching can't make you potential full student candidate to get 70 marks. No, even though I take a coaching, I teach classes, but I know the situation. So who can get 70 marks? Smart student, good IQ student, no error in GATE exam, 1 or 2 questions maximum. And during the college, student has to be really good in the core subjects. Then only it is possible to, then how toppers, like what do you think that toppers are getting 80 plus, 75 plus? Really, I'm telling you, an average guy can never do this. Okay, how will you filter a person is average if person is crossing 60 marks? Then again the same. If a person is getting above 60, nowadays I'm talking 2021, 2022, these kind of question paper I'm saying, getting 60 plus marks is really a tough job. So if you have not done good study, then don't bother about 70 plus marks. Okay, but one thing is sure, try to achieve 55 marks. It is very easy to understand this. How? It is really very easy to understand this. You have 15 marks in general aptitude, general ability. From GA, out of 15, how many marks you can get? Right? From general ability, how many marks you can get? That marks you keep side. Now come to the core. How well prepared you are in engineering mathematics, because engineering mathematics will be kind of game changer. Anyway, I consider propulsion subject as a game changer, because on average many students are not good in aircraft structure. So mostly it is the scene, mostly almost everywhere, mostly students are not good in aircraft structure. So that level will be same for everyone. So you eliminate that subject. Now talk which subject is game changer. Engineering mathematics. Engineering mathematics for GATE aerospace used to be easier than other departments. Other means you talk about CS and mechanical, and then you will support me. Yeah. So propulsion part is a game changer part. What about flight mechanics and aerodynamics? We consider as easy subject. So where is the toughness level, game changer level? Student who are going to attempt very good marks in propulsion, and of course structure is already there. If you are good in structure, there is huge chance you can cross 60. Okay, or what about rocket and space? If actually see what video course and what live course I take for the rocket and space. If you have done my course in rocket and space, then definitely you are going to solve all the questions, because rocket and space is not of that level. So from rocket and space, rarely, very less chance they will ask the tough question. Sometimes even though you have not done the course, but question paper will be like that. From 12th basic you can crack the question. From 12th basic gravitation chapter. Sorry, 11th gravitation chapter. 11th class I'm talking, just after your board exam, Kepler's law and all. And sometimes if your students are good in mathematics like a vector and all at their 11th, then also they can do this. So how should you plan, how should you prepare? Because it is I think 3rd or 4th November, let me check, just a moment. It is 3rd December, sorry, December running, it is 3rd December 2022. So first you note down my phone number and you do me WhatsApp message if you want to join the crash course or anything else, because already crash course got over, all the videos I will give to you. Okay, you study by self-study for 2023 I'm talking, not for 2024. For, if you're planning for 2024, text me immediately for a 1-year program. My you take down number 6380135 WhatsApp, only WhatsApp, don't call me directly. Come to the WhatsApp, hi, hello and all. You give your basic intro, name, college, semester and all, and after that you tell me that for which year you are planning to prepare. Now, very important advice, because only 2 months are remaining, so you don't waste these 2 months. If you are wasting your December, 3 days over, 3rd is started, 4th will start after 15 minutes, 16 minutes. So if you are wasting a December month, then you are not going to, because you can't do anything in Jan month, because you have to solve test series and other things. So you cannot do anything in January month. So whatever is remaining, you have to cover in December month. After December month, you should not plan anything, because whatever you will study in January month, that you are not going to, it is impossible, you are not going to solve in January month. And again I'm saying, on average I'm talking, it is not possible. Whatever you will study, because see, the content will come on your notebook, but that content you will not be able to recall in your GATE exam. So how will you spend your December month to collect the, to fill the loopholes? Like in engineering mathematics, suppose you have done everything and numerical method, or you can say numerical technique, that part is remaining, Laplace is remaining, like these kind of fillings you have to complete. In case, suppose in propulsion, you have done AFC, you have done CFC, but you left AFT for something, then AFT you do. These kind of fillings you do, okay? In structure, if you have done bending but torsion was tough, or because of time or because of class missing, you are not, so that part you do. These kind of preparation you can done, okay, you can do. In flight mechanics, suppose you are thinking that performance part is done, aircraft stability, what to do? You leave aircraft stability, because if you will prepare aircraft stability now, it is not the right time. Definitely content will come on your notebook, but it will not come on your fingertips. But if the content will come on your fingertips, you don't have time to practice that, to bring the knowledge into the GATE exam under pressure, because that 3 hours will give you so much pressure. Even known contents you will not be able to recall. Okay, I have qualified GATE exam. I know 6 times I have qualified. I know how situations, like I don't consider myself as a genius person, but I know myself and I know my friends, my students. With less preparation, it is impossible to get 50 marks. Really, with less preparation, it is impossible to get 50 marks. By 100% preparation of PET subject, what everyone is preparing in my coaching center, in every coaching center, by self-study, by this, that we call as 100% syllabus. Then, including your error, there is chance you will land to 50 marks, 55 marks. And if you are landing general category student, getting 55, you are into IIT. That's all. Thank you.